Hey, if you haven't started doing YouTube Shorts, I think you may have to consider doing that. I tried to post YouTube Shorts daily for around 2 weeks a while ago, and it completely blew up my YouTube channels. I've got more than 400 million views on my YouTube Shorts since I started doing that, and many people seem to underestimate the power of YouTube Shorts. Hi guys, my name is kinryyy and I run multiple YouTube channels on YouTube, and my most successful one has around 1.8 million subscribers. Today, I will be talking about my experiences and my opinions of YouTube Shorts, and also sharing some tips on how to get viral with YouTube Shorts with no efforts. This video will be divided into 3 parts. The first part is why I recommend you to do YouTube Shorts no matter what type of niche you have. What has YouTube Shorts done to my YouTube channel? I will also give you some examples of my viral YouTube Shorts. And lastly, some quick tips on how to make viral YouTube Shorts for views or for money. So yeah, it seems to me that many new YouTube content creators don't want to do YouTube Shorts because of several reasons. Maybe because of low RPM, CPM, maybe because of very bad conversion rate. However, I noticed that even some old content creators who said no to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, they started doing YouTube Shorts already. So yeah, why I recommend you to do YouTube Shorts? First reason is that it provides much more exposure. And I noticed that YouTube Shorts changes the algorithm quite often. Now, sometimes your videos can go viral for no reason. Sometimes your old videos can get views after a long time. So I noticed that the algorithm is still learning, which means that it gives us a chance to go viral much easily. I also noticed one thing. When you start a new channel doing YouTube Shorts, you seem to get views much quicker than doing long form videos. You know, maybe it would take like 3 months for your first long form video to get good views. But for the shorts, maybe 2 weeks. The potential exposure is completely at another level. And the second reason is one stone for 4 birds. Basically, you can do YouTube Shorts with no effort if you do TikTok already. I mean, you can just download your TikTok video and re-upload them on YouTube. But yeah, what I mean by one stone for 4 birds. Okay, you make one short form video for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, and also Facebook Reels. You can get views, you can get paid by the views. You can also do promotion to your products if you're selling something online. The third reason is it's much easier to make. If you're gonna make a good long form videos, how many things you have to prepare? A lot of things. Equipment, the script writing, this and that, you know, the effort is much bigger than the other one, right? But if you're gonna make a YouTube Shorts, you just need a phone. If you want to film on a professional camera, that is fine as well. And the result will be 8 seconds to 1 minute, which means that the filming time can be as short as 8 seconds. And also much more concentrated content. You don't have to tell the whole story. You can just tell the focus point of the story and then draw people to your other platforms for the whole story. You can also just edit it out from your original clips. You know, like if you have a long form video, just edit some part of it and make a YouTube Shorts. That's easy. And also it's much more casual way to make YouTube Shorts instead of a serious production like YouTube long form videos. And last reason, extra views. You can have extra exposure, so why would you say no for free exposure, right? Alright, let's move on to the next part. What has it done to my YouTube channels? You know, I'm so grateful that I started doing YouTube Shorts. Not only it has brought me a lot of views and also money, it also brought me a lot of audience, new fans, which is good for my future development if I want to sell merchandise or if I want to do this and do that. You know, new fans means new support. I still remember at that time my channel was facing a downfall, which means that there's less views, less income, and I heavily rely on YouTube ad revenue for living. Basically, this is my main job. And then I decided to start YouTube Shorts. I think I went viral like after 1 or 2 weeks of posting the YouTube Shorts. And with more views means more income. YouTube Shorts pay you as well. Some even started watching my other videos on YouTube, you know, in other words, more ad revenue. And as a result, I got insane growth on my YouTube channel. Okay, let me show you some examples here. So from this photo, you can see that before me starting to post YouTube Shorts, I get like 200,000 views. And then I started posting YouTube Shorts. Take a look at the growth here. The highest one is around 2 million views per day, around 1 year after me posting Shorts. And actually the result is so obvious. With more views, it means a higher possibility to get more audience and subscribers, right? Okay, next thing that I also noticed from my YouTube Shorts is that it has brought more traffic to my other platforms like Instagram, TikTok. Just imagine like this, if you sell merchandise, it will bring the traffic to the merchandise website. If you sell other products as well. And yeah, I started to get more sales from my merchandise because, you know, I got more fans, more attention as well. Yeah, like I said before, I didn't really spend a lot of time on doing YouTube Shorts because I basically just convert my TikTok videos to YouTube Shorts. I film one video for TikTok and then download it and remove the watermark and re-upload them to YouTube. I was not expecting too much because, you know, like effortless work. Who would have expected that it would just blow up like that? And as a result, I got free traffic, free views, free growth from the original work that I already did. And in case if you don't know, YouTube Shorts algorithm actually works differently from your long form videos algorithm. You may go viral on your YouTube Shorts and you may have like constant views from them, but you may not get any views from your long form videos, which in other words, YouTube Shorts may not really affect your other contents on YouTube channel. Your long form videos won't necessarily grow just because you went viral with one of your YouTube Shorts. Okay, let me show you some examples. These are my top 5 most viewed YouTube Shorts. It didn't really take much effort to make, except this one I had to act something. The rest is just me reacting to someone. And immediately I got more than 40 million views on one short alone. And guess how many subscribers that it brought me? Okay, yeah, this is a result. 60,000 subscribers increase with one video. It didn't really take me longer than I think 40 seconds to make, just me trying not to laugh. It's that easy. 40,000 subscribers increase. I believe that it can take a long time for other people to get even 10,000 subscribers. So yeah, to conclude, my YouTube channel was facing a downfall, and because of YouTube Shorts, it kind of saved my channel. And also because of this, I started to have more motivation to do YouTube, and then my YouTube channel started to grow back. Okay, let's move on to the last part of this video. 3 quick tips on how to make viral YouTube Shorts. First one, no useless moment. Okay, YouTube Shorts is so concentrated, 8 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, as long as 1 minute. YouTube Shorts viewers, they have a habit of scrolling. If they don't like something, they scroll. They keep on scrolling until they find something that's interesting for them, right? So in order to keep them always watching your video and finishing your videos, you must delete all the useless moment, the dead air, only keep the best part of the best. And I also noticed that the viral YouTube Shorts that I made, they have super high watch completion rate. The watch duration is more than like 100%, which means that one person, one viewer, they usually watch more than one time of that short. One quick example, I made one viral YouTube short which has like 19 seconds in total, but the average view duration is more than 21 seconds, which means that every viewer is looping it more than one time. And the second one is you can use viral content ideas which already exist. For example, you can make good use of them by reacting to them. Like maybe it's super cringe video, but it went viral. What does that mean? It means that that video is already viral proven. Even if you re-upload that, you may get some views. But okay, if you re-upload that, you will get copyright. So never do that. But if you do a reaction to that, that's a different thing, right? You can give your opinion on that, you can educate people, do this and do that. Just do something with the existing content. Or you may just take reference from this content and recreate something. I don't know, some yoga tricks, some body tricks that couples can try, and you can recreate that with your partner, right? And the last one, music choice does matter. A lot actually. Some people may think like, oh, I have a good content ready. I'm just gonna upload it on YouTube as a YouTube short. But guess what? It may not go viral just because you chose the wrong music. My recommendation is choose a viral soundtrack that people have been using these days. Trust me, it will bring you extra views just by choosing some good music. So after telling you all my experiences, all my advice, all my opinions, what other excuses do you still have? Just start doing YouTube Shorts as soon as possible. In the future, you will appreciate my advice. Anyways, that's it for the whole video. I hope you enjoyed watching this. I hope this video is informative and also like useful for you. And if it's useful, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel here. Comment something down below, other concerns, questions that you have. I may make a new video about them. Share this video with your other content partners. And yeah, give it a thumbs up. It really helps this YouTube channel to grow in the future. My name is kinryyy, your YouTube content manager. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.